Well, welcome to optional task 5. Demonstrate the use of an external compressor as an insert on the channel signal with about 6 dB of gain reduction with matched input-output level. The task suggests you patch into the 1176 compressor, which we can see in the compressor rack over here at the bottom. And although it says that, you could use any of the compressors that are available. So there's a bunch of DBX compressors, some more modern 10 series like the 1066, and the old 160As, which are pretty cool, or even this Universal Audio 610 preamp has an LA2A style compressor that's worth trying out. The 1176 here is what we'll actually use. So just a couple of things as we're setting it up. Just like a plugin or any compressor, we're going to look at the gain reduction. We can set up the ratio here with these buttons. I'm going to choose 8:1. We've also got a attack and release, so I'm going to have relatively fast attack, medium release, and set your output to about -24 or even 18 actually, and input just have it fairly low. We'll wait to see what we get. So the idea is it has no threshold, but the input pushes up against the threshold, and we can judge that from the gain reduction. So how do we insert this compressor onto our channel? We have to explore the mystery of the patch bay. So you can see here we've got the SSL insert sends, which is going from a channel, and the returns going back to a channel. So these are a break in the signal chain, and we're going to take channel 4's insert send, and we're going to plug that into the input of the 1176, which we find down on the bottom row, 1176 in. Then I'm going to take another patch cable and I'm going to go from the 1176 out and back into the insert path of channel 4 on the insert return. Now that is all connected up, but it's not necessarily working yet. If I go up the channel strip and get to the top of the EQ, you'll find there's an insert in button which needs to be pressed to turn the insert on and off. Sometimes it can be a bit hard to find if you haven't used the desk for a while, but that basically enables that insert send and return, which breaks the signal path and inserts a compressor into it, as you would imagine. So I've got my signal going, and here we can see some gain reduction happening, which is great. Gain reduction on the 1176. If I adjust my input level, turn it right down, you can see I'm not getting any gain reduction, and as I turn it up, more gain reduction happens. That's that fixed threshold I was talking about. Once I'm happy with that, I just need to bypass it so that I can gain match it. And the easiest way to do this is to use the insert button. So I'm going to head back down to the channel, and listening to my signal, I can turn my insert button off, and now the compressor is not in the chain anymore. So it means I can have a listen to it, I can turn the insert on and off, and I can make a judgment as to whether, by adjusting the input or output level, whether I'm doing a good job. Let's have a listen to that. Sounds pretty gain matched to me. That's essentially task 5. I'm getting 6 dB of gain reduction roundabout, and I have completed the matching of the gain by adjusting the output level. Happy days. See you in task 6.